The Whitaker Music Festival is a tradition here at the Garden and in the community. I've been here for more than 20 years, and it's a celebration of being outdoors, celebration of great local music, and a celebration of the St. Louis community. It's free because the Whitaker Foundation allows it to be free. The Whitaker Foundation has been incredibly generous. They do so many great things, not just here at the Garden, but in and around the St. Louis community. Their mission is to support the promotion of parks, of being outside, of experiencing the outdoors and experiencing all the great things that St. Louis has to offer. The benefit for the community is to understand that we're sort of at the crossroads of so many great genres of music, and that we have so many incredible performers, and that you don't have to go out of the country, you don't have to wait for these big acts to come to us. You here for free on Wednesday nights in the summer, you get the best music you can find anywhere.
My name is Gene Jackson, and this is my first time opening up here at Botanical Gardens. The music festival gives an opportunity for the audience to see new acts, hear new music, to be able to be family oriented, to bring your family out. It's not something that, you're in a part of an area where you're afraid to come to. This is a beautiful location. Who don't want to come to the Botanical Gardens?
It's officially summer, it's going to be warm, it's going to be a good couple of months. I'm excited for it. It's a great kickoff to the summer.